Sugar Plums! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Talia, for those of you who may be new here, bringing you all of my favorite trends from the beauty and fashion world. And today I am doing my second annual video of what I got for Christmas! I'm posting this video a couple of days later than when I anticipated because, drum roll please, Bath & Body Works had their semi-annual sale the day after Christmas, and I'm doing a little giveaway for you guys. I'm so excited. I wanted to end the year with a little giveaway. So if you guys want to see what kind of girly goodies I have in this bag for the giveaway winner, then make sure you stay tuned until the end of this video to see how you can enter and win these goodies. And now let's get into the video. So my first Christmas gift is from my husband. He actually gave it to me a couple of nights before Christmas because he was that excited to give it to me. He went to Tiffany's! When I opened my eyes, I was so surprised because I was not expecting anything from Tiffany's this year. I hadn't mentioned wanting anything from Tiffany's, but he came home and surprised me with a gift, and it came in this beautiful blue Tiffany's box with a ribbon. I'm actually wearing them right now. They are these beautiful heart-shaped sterling silver earrings that say, "Please return to Tiffany & Co. New York." And I will show you guys a little close-up of the earrings so you can get a better look. But I'm just so happy with this present, and it was unexpected, and they're beautiful earrings. Thank you, babe. I love you. The next Christmas gift that I received is from my son, who gave it to me on Christmas Eve night, and I actually have to go get it off of the tree. So he got me this beautiful ornament that says, "Mom, the heart of the family." And he was out shopping with my mom, his grandma, and my mom told me that he picked it out himself, and I thought that was so sweet and precious. I'm going to cherish it forever and hang it on my tree every year for as long as I live. I just thought that was so cute, and I love it so much. So my husband got me a few more gifts, and if you guys don't already know, I am obsessed with Bath & Body Works, so of course he had to go there and get me some goodies. And the first thing he got me was this Into the Night Fine Fragrance Mist, and it smells incredible. Oh my goodness. And I love the packaging, the black and the gold shimmery specks. It reminds me of something that I would wear on New Year's Eve. It's so pretty. He also got me the scent Christmas Cookies in the Fine Fragrance Mist and in the body lotion. If you don't already know what Christmas Cookies smells like, this smells exactly like that. And he got me a hand lotion in the scent Merry Cookie, and again, it just smells like a Christmas cookie. I also have 5 of these wallflower plug refills in the scent Merry Mimosa, and I've smelled this in store before and it smells incredible. I can't wait for my whole home to have that beautiful scent. He also gave me this candle in the scent Land of Sweets, which is a blueberry sugar scent. That smells so good. And the last present from Bath & Body Works is this peppermint marshmallow candle, and it just has a nice sweet light candy cane scent with a sweet marshmallow scent. It smells so good. And I have one more gift from my husband. He just spoiled me entirely this year, and I was not expecting it. But what he gave me is in this huge bag, and I was not sure what it could have been because he wrapped the actual bag that it came from, like the store it came from. But I don't know if you guys can see, but it reads Michael Kors up here, and I was like, babe, what did you get me from Michael Kors? Because I was not expecting this at all. And it's in this beautiful slip bag right here that says Michael Kors. And I'm so excited to see this again because I honestly haven't opened it up since Christmas, which was like a few days ago. So, And he got me this beautiful Michael Kors handbag. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. The color on it is absolutely perfect. I love this shade of pink. I love the gold hardware that says MK Michael Kors. And what I love about this purse, it is not that huge, but it's so spacious inside. I don't know, I might have to do one of those like what's in my bag, like an updated one. But there's so much room in here, and it's not even like that big and bulky because I cannot stand having big bulky bags. And my husband spoiled me this Christmas. I'm just truly blessed. He's incredible. I love him so much. I have a couple of presents here from my stepsons, and the first two are from my oldest stepson. He's so thoughtful, but he got me this beautiful unicorn sleep mask, as well as these socks that have stars on them in a pastel color. And this is so cute. He knows me so well. I love unicorns so much, and I'm so excited to use these. And he also got me this little collection of nail polishes, which I actually love so much. There's some beautiful colors in here, and I can't wait to paint my nails. And then my youngest stepson got me this adorable hand sanitizer holder, as well as a hand sanitizer. So this is like the Abominable Snowman or a Yeti. I'm not really sure which one it could be, but it's so cute. And it has Mermaid to Be hand sanitizer scent inside, which is a citrus scent, and it smells so good. And he also got me 100 shades of eyeshadows in this eyeshadow palette. There's literally the color of the rainbow, and I'm so excited to start using it. These colors are beautiful. I see some shimmery colors, some matte colors, and again, he also knows me so well because he knows I'm obsessed with makeup. So thank you boys so much for my presents. I loved each and every one of them, and it was so kind and thoughtful of you guys. These next few gifts were from my parents to both my husband and I. And the first thing I have to show you guys here is this Cotton Designs sheet set. And my husband and I are actually in need of some new sheets. And I love the pattern on this, and it feels so soft. I can't wait to put it on our bed and start using it. They also got us this 12 Cocos of Christmas, and oh my goodness, there's so many hot cocoa flavors in here. I already claimed, where is it? Let me see. I know for sure I want to do the gingerbread hot cocoa, and we're so excited to drink these up. Oh my goodness, I just love it so much, and the packaging is adorable. And we are both so excited about this next gift from my parents, and it is a new set of pots and pans. It's a 52-piece complete kitchen set, and we were in desperate need of some new pots and pans, and these are going to go perfectly in our kitchen. We both do cooking and baking, especially my husband. He is a chef. But we are so excited to start using this. I actually already washed them and put them away in our cabinet, so that's how I'm able to hold this box so easily, because it was quite heavy. But we were both thankful for this gift, and you know you're an adult when you get excited over things like pots and pans for your kitchen. So my next present to me was from both of my parents, and it was so sweet and thoughtful of them to do this. It's a picture frame with our first family photo. So it has my dad, my mom, and myself, and this was probably taken in 1989. I was born in 1988, so I look about 1 year old in this photo, and I just thought it was so sweet of them to do this for me. This next present is from my mom, and she got me some Aeropostale hoop earrings. So we have black and gold, white and gold, and pink and gold. And I was in need of some new, cute, colorful hoop earrings, so I'm excited to wear these. This next present is from my dad, and I have to be honest, as soon as I opened it and read what it saw, I kind of got teary-eyed because I'm sentimental like that. But he got me this cute shirt with a unicorn on it, and it says "Born to be a Unicorn," and then he had it custom made to say "Trendy Talia." How adorable is that? And I'm actually going to wear this shirt because it's that thoughtful and sweet. So thank you, Dad. I love it. My mom also got me a couple of outfits for yoga, and I'm so excited. That's actually one of my New Year's resolution, is to start doing yoga. And these are just some cute pieces, and I'm excited to look cute doing my yoga in the new year. And then the final gift that I received was from both of my parents, and these are warm fuzzy pajamas. They are a fleece material, so definitely perfect for when it gets super cold outside. Oh my goodness, this pajama set is actually not mine. It's one of my stepchildren's, and I put it on because it's like a size 16 in kids, and I normally can fit into like the extra large sizes of kids, but it is like a tad bit small on the arms and the legs, and it's tight, and it's starting to get hot in here, so let me go ahead and get started showing you guys what is in the giveaway. Alrighty, so as you guys know, I went to Bath & Body Works, so whoever the giveaway winner is going to win all of these products from Bath & Body Works. So the first thing I got are 3 full-size body care items in the scent Pink Velvet Cupcake. I love the girly pink packaging. The fragrance notes read sparkling red berries, whipped pink marshmallow, and sugared praline. This smells so good, you guys. Oh my goodness. And just the name itself, Pink Velvet Cupcake, I'm like, ooh, I want to have one. So you guys will be getting that. I also got you guys a hand soap, and this is in the scent Lavender Rose, and the fragrance notes on this read lavender, soft rose petals, and musk. And I believe this is part of their new spring collection. I smelled it last night and it smells wonderful. It has a nice floral scent to it, and I love that the packaging kind of matches with the Pink Velvet Cupcake packaging. And I also got you guys a hand cream, and this is in the scent Coconut Macaroon, which is part of their Land of Sweets collection, and the packaging is cute. It smells wonderful. It smells like the beach, honestly. It has a coconut scent to it, but I just love the packaging on this. It's adorable. I wanted so bad to get you guys candles, but there's just no way that I'm risking shipping a candle and it breaking all over these items. I've actually had it done to me before when I ordered off of the Bath & Body Works website. I've opened my package and the candle just shattered all in the box. So I really didn't want to risk shipping a candle. So the next best thing that I got were 2 room fragrance scents. And these smell wonderful. You only need to spray them 2 times and it just fills your whole room with a nice strong scent, but not like overpowering or overwhelmingly anything like that. It's a nice beautiful scent, and I actually have this scent here myself for my bedroom, and this is a scent Peppermint Marshmallow. It has that sweet marshmallow scent with a light hint of like a candy cane scent. It smells so beautiful. And then the other scent I got you guys is Cinnamon Caramel Swirl. And this smells just like one of those cinnamon buns. It smells so good. And these 2, I believe, are also part of the Land of Sweets collection, just judging by the packaging. It's so cute and girly. So I got you guys 2 of those for your homes. And that is everything that you guys will be receiving in this giveaway. So for the rules of this giveaway, it's going to be very simple. There's only 3 rules. First, I do want to start off saying that this giveaway is open internationally. I wanted to make it fair and include everybody in the world in this giveaway. So yes, it is open internationally. The first rule is you have to be at least 18 years or older. The second rule is you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. And then the third rule is to leave a comment down below in the comment section telling me which Bath & Body Works product you are most excited to try in this giveaway. And make sure in that comment you leave me a way to reach you, whether it is your email address or your Instagram handle. That way, if you are the winner, I have a place to contact you in. And this giveaway is open for 2 weeks starting today, and I'm only allowing 1 entry per person because I want to keep it fair. So I look forward to seeing who wins this giveaway. I just wanted to end the year with a little giveaway from my favorite store, Bath & Body Works, and just show you guys how much I appreciate you guys. It's been a great year on YouTube for me, and I've received so many compliments and likes and just sweet comments on my videos, and it really means a lot to me, and I just wanted to give back by giving you guys a little bit of Bath & Body Works. And I'm going to list all the rules and all the information down below in the description bar, so go ahead and read that as well. Thank you guys again so much for sticking around. It's been a great 2019, and I look forward to 2020 with some new videos for you guys. And I hope you all have a wonderful, happy new year. And I will see you all in 2020. Bye!